Hello, welcome to this video where I am gonna share with you just very cool strategies that you can implement and very simple strategies that you can implement using system.io for your opt-in funnels and all the other different funnels, all right? So the main purpose of this video is to give you the straightforward strategies that you can implement and the things that you need to have in mind in order for you to execute a good front end and back end plan for your funnels. Okay, so in this case, we're going to be covering all the different ones. So opt-in funnels, the main thing that they do, and don't get this wrong, you can add a lot of different things in place. But if you are building a successful opt-in funnel or a lead magnet funnel, this is the only thing you absolutely need to do and to achieve. If you add a lot of different steps and you are not able to achieve this, then your entire funnel strategy didn't work. Okay, so in this case here, what we are going to do is we're going to make sure that we have a way to get a lot of opt-ins. So one of your main goals is going to be to increase the conversion rate on this page. Everything else doesn't really matter right now. The main goal is you want to make sure that you increase your conversion rates on your opt-in. So, if you have a 20% to 60% kind of opt-in rate, that's cool. If you have lower than that, you need to work on that. If you have higher than that, you're probably not using cold ads. You're using organic, organic marketing. Okay, most of my organic marketing funnels, they are 80% plus. So yeah, from my cold ones, they are really usually around those 30%, which is not bad at all. Okay, so now here, this is your main goal. You want to make sure that you build one page and you increase the conversion on that one. Everything else, it's optional, okay? It's secondary. Now, the second thing we want is make sure that you have at least one email to send them what you've promised, because you are not going to send them, hey, here's the button, download it right now, and done. You can do that, but I would 100% recommend to send that via email, and then on the second page to have a button where you can say, hey, join our community, for example, because remember, every single step of each funnel, they need one main action and everything else is secondary. So right here, the main action is to get, the lead magnet, get to join your email list. Right here, the main action is to let them know, hey, you already got your email, your lead magnet, congratulations. You're going to receive it through email, so you get that out of the way. And right now, you can join our community, okay? Join our community to get a lot more benefits. That's the main action, because you want your audience to keep moving to the next direction. If they only end here, right? They receive it, awesome. They never read the ebook. Like most people don't even read the ebooks or lead magnet, sort of, the free stuff. Most people don't go ahead and are excited about learning and all this stuff. Most people, okay? Maybe you are, but most people are not. So what you want to do is, knowing that, how can you leverage the scenario that I'm in right now to go to the next step so that you have other chances to improve your chance to, to get more of that lead, to help them more, to make more money from that scenario, to help them even more, okay? So that's your main goal. Now, with this in mind, you will have a good opt-in. Everything else is just secondary. If you want to add a lot of emails in the chain, awesome, cool, but everything else is secondary. You want to make sure that this has a good conversion rate. You want to make sure that they understand that they got it and going to receive through email right here, and that they move to the next step, which is your community, okay? You need them to get to your community right after that. If you don't do that, unless you are doing something very specific, you might lose a lot of potential. So this is for opt-ins. I'm going to have the other videos for all the other ones, for the sales pages, for upsells, for digital courses, and all this stuff. So make sure you check those videos as well.